guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to throw on some makeup, which I haven't actually worn any makeup for like a good month, so I'm very excited to finally put some makeup on again. The sun's literally just come out to ruin my video, so thanks God. But yeah, you guys can still see me and I'm not that blind and the sun's not too hot today, so I'm going to keep filming through it. So yeah, oh actually it's better here. Hey. So yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to because I was thinking of how I can do it, because I'm basically going to copy a makeup look from Vivienne, who's a drag queen who won the UK's Drag Race season 1, I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, she put a picture up on Instagram and I was like, I want to do that. I don't know why, sometimes I'll see makeup looks and I just like, I want to recreate that. So what I'm going to do, I'm probably going to put a picture up in the video, so maybe like now. Try and do like an inner winged eyeliner. So if you guys know what I'm on about, I've actually never done one before and I've only just got off watching a tutorial on how to do one, so we could be here for a while trying to do it. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and do my eyeliner and try and do an inner corner one. I'll take you guys along with me for the ride. I'm using my NYX eyeliner, matte black. Sorry guys, I thought I could zoom in, but it looks like I can't, so that's kind of annoying. Oh well, I remember I used to be able to do it on my camera. I need to get a camera to film basically. Oh well, have to make do, won't we? Alright guys, so I messed up a little bit on the eyeliner. I dragged it a little bit too far over. So I'm just going to go and rub that out. Right, so I'll finish off the eyeliner like how I normally would do it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to try and do an inner corner wing. So we shall see how this messes up first. Alright, so I've kind of done one eye. So I'm just going to go and finish one off camera because it's taken too much time. I'm just waiting for the storage thing to start playing up. So, and then I'll come back. Alright guys, so I finished it. So I think I've done a little bit better on this eye. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with a black waterliner and I'm going to go and do the waterline. So I'm going to go in with this Glide gel liner from LA Girl and I'm just going to go and do it in the waterline. Okay, so I've done that, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to do little touch-ups. Like here, you can see I need to go and fix that. So I'm going to do little bits like that. By the way, does anyone else's like sweat smell like weed? Like a really weird thing, but who knows? I'm just a miracle. Right, so there we go guys, eyeliner is done. Yes. Actually, it was surprisingly easier than I thought. But some people might not think I've done the best job, but whatever. I quite like it for a first time. So yeah, so what I'm going to do now is basically I'm going to, because I was thinking of how I can do it, because I'm basically going to copy a makeup look from Vivienne, who's a drag queen who won the UK's Drag Race season 1, whatever, I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, she put a picture up on Instagram and I was like, I want to do that. I don't know why, sometimes I'll see makeup looks and I just like, I want to recreate that, and that was one of those, so that's why I was inspired to do that. And yeah, so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to do the, what should I do? I'm going to do the pink cut crease first. It's annoying because I've got the photo on my phone and I need my phone to film, so I'm probably going to have to do this look by memory, so it might look a bit different, I don't know. So I'm going to go in with my Ultimate Matte Fortress Colour BH Cosmetics palette. I'm going to go in with this dark pink here, first of all. And yeah, so I'm going to use that. Got hairs on me. That's what having dogs does to your clothes. I'm going to go and make a pink cut crease now. Right, so for some reason I've got this black splodge that randomly appeared under my eye. So I'm going to go and get rid of that. Back to it. Yeah, what I'm going to do now, I'm not sure if it's worth doing a cut crease at this point. I just went and referred to the picture and the pink went all the way down to the inner corner. So yeah, so I will need to do a cut crease. So I'm going to go and do a cut crease now. I don't know if I said, but I got a new little brush set because I needed like a really small brush to do cut creases. So and it's literally only like £4 for like all these brushes. So I was like, yes, give me that offer now. So yeah, so I'm going to go and make a cut crease. Oh, the sun's back out again. Ah! Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get in with my, what's it, 28 colour foil eyes palette from BH Cosmetics. I've said a million times, sponsor me. So I'm going to go in with this shimmer pink shade down here. Let's get that sparkle in the sunlight. Oh. So yeah, and I'm just going to go and pop that over the eyelid, but not into the inner corner because that's going to be reserved for yellow. So right, I've got it on the brush, so I'm just going to go and put it on the eyelid now. Right, so I've done that, so I think it looks really pretty. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go in with another brush and I'm going to go in with yellow. The annoying thing is, I don't have a good pigmented yellow, so however I do have neon yellow, so I might go in with the neon yellow pigmentation from Stargazer. Yes, let's do that. Right, so here's the eye dust, the neon yellow one. I feel like this brush might be too big. I might go in with one of my new small brushes. Now I have the options. So yeah, and I'm just going to go and put that in the inner corner, like so. Okay, so I put the neon yellow on, but I need to go and touch up because of all the fallout, and I'm going to go and blend in with the pink shimmer again. So I'm going to come back once I've cleaned up. Alright guys, so I've touched up, so it's looking cute now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a blue under the eye, and I'm going to go in with the shimmer blue here. Dab dab. Right, there we go guys, so what I've done, I actually dragged the blue out under the eyes. I think that looks better than what it was before. So yeah, which isn't following the Vivienne's look exactly, but put my spin it after all. I think it's turned out pretty cute. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some contour on the cheeks, and then I'll do the lipstick. Alright guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go in with my Ultimate Matte palette, and I'm going to go in with this brown here, and just use it as a contour. So let's save money. Why not? So I've done that, so what I'm going to do the highlighter now. I'm just going to go in with my shimmer shade palette again, and I'm going to go in with this really light, I'll do the pinky-ish one up here. I'm going to put that under the eyebrows and on the face. Right, so I've just done the highlighter. As you can see, highlighted for the gods. So guys, I decided to go in with this, well they say it's meant to be a lip gloss, but it's definitely not a lip gloss. I mean, come on, this is a liquid lipstick, darling. And yeah, I really love the colour. It kind of reminds me of Jeffree Star's Cherry Wet one, but yeah, but this one was for free and not that expensive, so he's a winner, I don't know. So yeah, Model Zone, I got it in a Christmas video unboxing, like present from, I think it was from Sephora, I believe. I'll link the unboxing up here, and it's my Christmas 2019. And yeah, and it's turned out really nicely. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. It's been really nice to put some makeup on, because I haven't really put any makeup on for a while. And yeah, I'll see you guys next video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like and subscribe for more, and hit the bell notification to be notified when I promise to give you a new video. And I'll see you guys next one. Bye guys. Mwah.